guys, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all well. How's your weekend going so far? So, if you're returning, thank you so much. And if you're new, hi, my name's Rosie. I generally upload videos a couple of times a week, lifestyle vlogs, hauls, that kind of thing. If you are new to my channel, I would love if you could subscribe, join my YouTube family, and yeah, also please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. It just helps me understand what videos you guys like and prefer, and I'm also over on Instagram, so I just thought I'd share some recipes with you. Tonight tonight I'm making mango chicken curry. I've got the chicken defrosting here. I've just popped it into, I've just pulled it out of the freezer this morning. And I've got my naan breads because I'm going to make homemade naan bread. So I'm actually scared to take this off. Just in case it hasn't worked. I've just left that sitting for an hour. Before and after. So yeah, mango chicken curry and homemade naan breads. I love that noise. Listen to that sizzle. So I've just added an onion, some garlic and some ginger, and I'm going to let this soften, and then I'm going to add in my spices, which is basically turmeric, cumin and my garam masala. I'm also going to pop in a chicken stock cube, a bay leaf, well, a couple of bay leaves, and then I'm just going to let it again cook down with a little bit of water. Homemade naan breads. And dinner is served, so we've got chickpea and mango curry. Jaden, Lexi and Xander. Who's got a fibres bet on that Xander won't eat anything. I mean, I know you're not allowed to bet, so we're not really actually betting, but yeah, I shouldn't laugh, but we'll see. Homemade naan breads, which I must say actually came out not so bad. We've got some poppadoms, and yeah, and then I'm going to dish out the rest. Kenzie, mine, my husband. I'm going to put Megan's to one side and Marley's some out as well. And that's tonight's tea. So, how's everybody doing today? Hope you're well. I'm not cooking tonight. Leroy, you're cooking, aren't you? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So he's going to make meatballs, plain meatballs for the kids, and then chimola meatballs for the adults, because when we made chimola meatballs the last time, the kids didn't like them, they weren't too keen on them, so they're just going to have normal meatballs. I will show you these ingredients. Yeah, we've just been to the park and stuff, so just making the most of, I would say, the decent weather, but it's so overcast, but it's really, really warm. Sugar, whole wheat pasta. The kids are going to have pasta. We're going to have couscous because the kids don't like couscous either. We've got some, that's paprika and chip seasoning.
Yeah, it's the paprika and onion that's for the kids' one, because they don't like anything over the top. So it's quite a mild bit of seasoning for them.
Yeah, but that's, well, are you just going to use that then? Right, because they're just plain paprika in there.
I know. They don't like chunks of onion, do they? So I thought if I do that, then it kind of does the onion in it as well.
Alright, okay, either that or you can just like cut it really small.
I do, but I just okay.
Baby spinach, almond flakes, we've got 2 lots of mince for the meatballs. We've got some chimola spice, I do need to pick some more of that up. Onion, garlic, chicken stock, beef stock, panko breadcrumbs, and then behind that we've got some tomato passata and then carrots. Chimola meatballs.
They're chimola, they're just kids'
right, so they're just normal meatballs.
Yeah.
Can I have the khakis?
And then ones that are chimola meatballs. It's Sunday, it's really busy in my house today. Cool. So we've got some with couscous.
That's the Chamula ones.
The Chamula ones, yeah. And then the kids are just having pasta. Yeah. So I'm going to go and have dinner. And I'll see you all tomorrow night for tomorrow night's tea. Alright, Mr. Spud. Happy Monday, my lovelies. So today the kitchen's upside down because I am also decorating, trying to get the kitchen sorted. So I'm going to be busy over the next week. I'm hoping to get it finished in a week, but it's probably going to go into next week. Anyways, yeah. Meals of the week are, see if you don't stop, right? So you have to see this because, yeah, honestly, you actually wouldn't want to leave us in the background dancing. Right, anyways, yeah, so tonight's tea. How's everybody doing so far, by the way? How's your Monday been, and what have you been up to? I'm literally just trying to sort the kitchen and cook tea, but I've got no handles on cupboards. I'm sanding stuff as well, so cooking and decorating just does not go. Tonight's tea anyways is, yeah, hubby and the kids are having steak, and myself and Xander, because Xander won't eat steak. And in all fairness, I like steak, but it tends to, too much of it, I don't know, I get fed up quite easily. So we're going to have some smoky pork shoulder steaks, because I bought these for the barbecue last week, and they need using. And I know Xander will eat these, so we're going to have this. Kids are going to have steak. Have you seen the size of that piece of steak? And egg, and then fries. And I'm going to make like a fruity couscous. Xander's just going to have fries because nobody else is going to eat the fruity couscous. So I've got some dried mixed fruit there. The only thing I don't have is, oh gosh, not peaches. Trying to think what they're called. Little furry. They're in the tip of my tongue. If anybody knows the name of them, let me know in the comments. Remind me in the comments, should I say, and I can guarantee you I'll remember once I put the camera down. I've got some chickpeas, so I'm just going to warm these up in hot water in the microwave, and then I'm going to add them to the couscous with my spices and stuff. Yeah, so I'm just going to get on with it.
Quite thick couscous.
It's a fruity couscous, so it's got like orange juice and everything in it. Kids is steaks at home. Obviously I've got them on a lower heat because I want them to cook through properly because they're for the kids. And I've prepped my husband's steak with a bit of olive oil and a little bit of aromat seasoning. As my couscous, I'm just about to add in the fruit and everything and let it sit while I cover it over. Fries are in the air fryer. And my fruit, my chickpeas and everything I've just popped in the microwave in some hot water to let them cook. There we go, it's finished. Right, so we've got Jaden and Lexi's dinner, and I really need to get another frying pan so I can actually make everything at the same time instead of like one at a time. And then I'm just dishing up Xander's in a minute, and mine, and Marley. I'm not sure what Marley's having. In fairness, I think Marley's just made herself a sandwich. Hubby's tea, steak, egg and chips, or steak, egg and fries. Xander's dinner. I've popped his yolk, I'm devastated. There you are, darling.
Thank you.
No problem. And this is my barbecue pork steaklets. And then my fruity couscous. This absolutely tastes amazing, and you could just have this with a bit of salad, or you know, if you don't want anything that's like, so if you're vegetarian, or yeah, fruity couscous, it's absolutely, the only thing that isn't in it, I remembered guys, apricots because I didn't have any, but I am going to have some homemade fruity couscous with my pork steaklets, barbecue pork steaklets. I'm really excited to eat this because it tastes amazing. Alright guys, and that's it, because Kenzie's out, Megan's at work, Beth's at work, and Marley had a sandwich. So that's it, my lovelies. Everybody's got the tea for tonight, so I'll see you tomorrow night. Take care, enjoy your evening, see you soon. Happy Tuesday, my lovelies. Tonight the kids are having chicken burgers, Xander's choice, and in all honesty they were sitting in the fridge and they needed using. So yeah, so they're just having chicken burgers, one of the kids' favourites, and I was going to make a sausage tray bake, but myself and Leroy have decided we're not actually really hungry, so I think leave it with us and I'll see what's what. If I cook them up, I might just have it with, I've still got some leftover couscous from yesterday, so I might just have it with that, or I'll do the tray bake. Anyways, either way you'll see at the end. So yeah, stay tuned to see what tonight's surprise tea is with the sausages. I'll see you soon. Right, chicken burgers and fries, Lexi, Xander, and then we just need to dish. Leroy ended up making a sausage stir fry, which actually looks really nice. It's teriyaki and garlic, and then it's just got everything in it that needed using, like bean sprouts, rice noodles, that kind of stuff. But yeah, it's chicken sausage stir fry. So I'm going to dish this up there. We're going to dish this up for whoever wants some. I think Jaden's having some of that. You'll have to dry that bowl properly. And then yeah, so we're going to have tea, and I will see you tomorrow night for tomorrow night's tea. See you later. Have a nice evening. This is my reality at the moment. This is decorating reality. Everything, and I'm doing everything is everywhere. It's, what day is it even? It's Wednesday, my loves. Yeah. Tonight for tea is, I'm not even sure. So I've pulled out some diced beef. I've got 2 lots of that. I've got some potatoes. We've got crisps sitting in a pan. I really need to give this a tidy over. Yeah, and I'm going to pull some veg out, and then I am just going to make, I'm not sure yet what, but I have an idea. Some sort of, I'm just going to do like a simple casserole. I'll let you all see. Yeah, I'm just going to get on with it. So I'm just browning the mince off, it's beef. I'm just browning the beef off just to seal it. In there I've got pepper, oregano, turmeric, cumin, paprika, a good glug of Worcester sauce, and then I'm just going to pop it in with some onions, finish cutting up the veg, get it in, and then stick in pop in a beef stock, and pop in some beef stock, and then I'm just going to pop it in the oven. Casserole, well, would you call it a casserole? Casserole is ready. It's literally beef and a few root vegetables. It's actually a very, very simple meal. It's just what I needed to use up that was in the fridge, like vegetable wise and stuff. So it's literally just, as I said, carrots, parsnips and onions. It's also got a little bit of, well, it's also got tomato puree in it as well. Tomato puree. I forgot to say, because I wanted, you know, like the standard, obviously like a standard stew will have like a gravy. Well, I wanted mine to be more like a savoury gravy, you know, like you would have with mince and stuff, hence why I added like paprika and oyster sauce and stuff. Yeah, I basically just substituted the mince for the beef, and then I've just made a mashed potato as well. But this is absolutely, I've tasted it and it's just lovely. I let it cook for an hour and a half. Kenzie's, Jaden, Xander, if he eats it, he'll probably eat the mash and that'll be about it. And then we've got Lexi's. Mine I'm about to dish out. I need to put some aside for my hubby because he's still at work. And then the girls are out, all 3 of them. So there's just 5 of us eating tonight at the moment. But that's tea. So I hope you enjoyed the video. A few different recipes. What you're having for tea tonight, my lovelies, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I shall see you all soon for another what we generally eat in a week as a large UK family. See you later. Bye.